Have you ever held a rough stone in your hand and wondered, could this be a real diamond? For many people, discovering a rough diamond is a dream, but identifying one can be confusing. While professional gem labs offer the most accurate results, there are several useful tests you can perform at home to get strong clues about whether your stone is real. And one of the most surprising and effective beginner tests is the tomato test. Yes, a simple tomato can reveal important clues about the hardness and behavior of real diamonds. In this full, detailed, video-friendly guide, we break down exactly why the tomato test works, how to do it, what results to expect, what mistakes to avoid, and expert tips to confirm your findings. Let's begin. Why a tomato can help you identify a real raw diamond. It may sound strange, but the tomato test is based on one of the fundamental properties of diamonds: extreme hardness. A real diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth, ranking 10 on the Mohs scale. This means it can easily scratch objects that are much softer, including the delicate skin of a tomato. A tomato has a thin, soft outer skin, a juicy, smooth surface, very low resistance to sharp edges. This makes it the perfect material to observe whether your stone is truly hard enough to behave like a diamond. If your stone cannot scratch a tomato, then it cannot be a diamond. What you will need to perform this test at home: you only need a fresh tomato, soft and ripe works best, your rough diamond or the stone you want to test, good lighting, a stable surface, no chemicals, no tools, no heat, just a simple fruit. Step by step, the tomato test for real raw diamonds. Step 1. Clean the stone before testing. Gently clean your stone with a cloth. Dust, oil or sand can affect the accuracy of the test. Step 2. Prepare the tomato. Slice the tomato in half or place it with the skin facing upward. Make sure the skin is smooth, the surface is moist, the tomato is fresh, not dry. A ripe tomato reveals scratches clearly. Step 3. Scratch the tomato skin. Now comes the key moment. Hold the stone firmly between your fingers. Choose a sharp edge or point. Real rough diamonds usually have natural sharp edges. Then gently drag the stone across the tomato skin in a straight line. Do not apply too much force. A real diamond does not need pressure to scratch soft surfaces. Interpreting the results. After dragging the stone across the tomato, one of two things will happen. Result 1, clear scratch line, signs of a real diamond. If the stone is a real diamond, you will notice a sharp, clean scratch line on the tomato skin. The scratch appears clearly in the soft surface. No damage or wear on the stone itself. The stone stays sharp and unchanged. This is a strong sign that your stone may indeed be a real raw diamond. Result 2, no scratch or weak mark, likely not a diamond. If the stone slides over the tomato without leaving a clear scratch, then the stone is probably not a diamond. It may be quartz, glass, calcite, zircon, or another mineral. You might see tiny damage on the stone's edge, which diamonds never show. Any stone that cannot scratch a tomato cannot be a diamond due to the diamond's extreme hardness. Why the test works. The science behind it. Real diamonds maintain their sharp edges even in raw, uncut form. Their atomic structure, tightly bonded carbon atoms, gives them exceptional hardness, strong cutting ability, resistance to wear or scratching. A tomato simply cannot resist a diamond's edge. Other stones, even if they look similar to diamonds, do not have this ability. Common mistakes to avoid. To make sure you get the correct results, avoid these mistakes. Using an unripe or very hard tomato, it may hide the scratch mark. Pressing too hard, this can create a false scratch from force, not from hardness. Using a dirty stone, sand particles can scratch the tomato and give a false diamond-like result. Relying on only one test. The tomato test is helpful, but not enough alone for final confirmation. Other tests you can combine with the tomato test. To improve accuracy, perform additional home tests such as fog test, diamonds don't fog easily. Water test, diamonds sink fast. Scratch test on glass, diamonds scratch glass effortlessly. Light reflection test, diamonds have strong brilliance and unique sparkle. UV test, some diamonds glow blue under UV light. Combining results gives you a more reliable evaluation. Expert tip. If your stone passes the tomato test, that is a good sign, but to be 100% sure, visit a certified jeweler or gemology lab. They can analyze the stone using thermal conductivity tools, microscopes, professional hardness tests. This ensures a final, accurate conclusion. Conclusion. The tomato test is one of the easiest and most surprising home methods to test raw diamonds. With nothing more than a fresh tomato, you can observe whether your stone shows the natural hardness that only real diamonds possess. If your stone scratches the tomato effortlessly and stays sharp with no damage, it may truly be a real diamond. If it doesn't scratch, then it's almost certainly not. Simple, clear, effective.